our detailed exploration of job satisfaction assessment. So in the past video, we talked about job satisfaction. We defined what it is, job satisfaction, why it's important for companies and for people. So today we'll dive into what job satisfaction assessment is, why it's vital for both employees and organizations, and how you can effectively measure and improve job satisfaction in the workplace. So let's get started. So, job satisfaction assessment is the process of evaluating how content employees are with various aspects of their job. This assessment helps identify areas where improvements can be made to enhance overall satisfaction and productivity. Some key components typically assessed include work environment, compensation and benefits, job role and responsibilities, career development opportunities, management and supervision, and work life balance. So, by assessing these components, organizations can gain insights into how satisfied their employees are and identify areas of improvement. Now, there are several methods to assess job satisfaction effectively. Um, so maybe the most common or most known are the surveys and questionnaires. These are common tools that can be distributed electronically or on paper, and they typically include both quantitative and qualitative questions. Quantitative questions are those that are like in rating scales, like from 1 to 10 or 1 star, 5 stars. Then the qualitative tend to be open-ended questions. You can also use interviews. Conducting one-on-one or group interviews can provide deeper insights and allow for more detailed feedback. You can also use focus groups. Facilitating discussions in a group setting can uncover common themes and shared experiences among employees. You can also use observation. So, managers or HR professionals can observe the workplace interactions and behavior to gather indirect data on job satisfaction. This is not a method that I recommend to use by itself. It is more a complement to other methods. You could use maybe the interviews or the surveys and questionnaires and complement with observation, because this happens like in any environment, even in schools with the students. When they are being watched or observed, they tend to work better, they tend to work harder, like faster, they tend to do everything better because they are being watched. Like they want to give a good impression to their bosses or the people that are in the position of power. So observation by itself could be biased, and also it is hard for a HR manager to be like observing every part of the process or observing different types of roles. So observation should be a complement to the other methods. We have exit interviews. So these are interviews with departing employees that can reveal underlying issues and reasons for turnover. So each method has its strengths and can be used in combination to get a comprehensive understanding of job satisfaction levels. Now, once you've collected the data, the next step is to analyze and interpret it. So here's how. You can use quantitative analysis. This uses statistical methods to analyze rating scale responses, look for trends, averages, and significant differences. You can conduct a qualitative analysis to identify common themes and patterns in open-ended questions or open-ended responses. You can use a comparative analysis to compare results across different departments, across different roles or demographics to identify specific areas of concern. You can track changes over time so you're conducting regular assessments and comparing the results over time to measure the impact of implemented changes. An effective analysis helps in understanding the root of causes of dissatisfaction and identifying actionable insights. So let's look at some examples. We have these examples where job satisfaction assessment led to significant improvements. So the first one is IBM. So IBM regularly conducts comprehensive job satisfaction surveys and uses the results to implement targeted improvements in areas like work-life balance and career development. This approach has helped IBM maintain high employee satisfaction and retention rates. IBM's commitment to assessing and improving job satisfaction has been a key factor in its success. Now, the second example is Adobe. Adobe's check-in system replaces traditional annual reviews with ongoing feedback and discussions. This continuous assessment approach has led to a more engaged and satisfied workforce. Their innovative approach to job satisfaction assessment highlights the importance of regular and meaningful feedback. So, in conclusion, job satisfaction assessment is a crucial tool for understanding and improving the work environment. By regularly assessing job satisfaction and implementing targeted improvements, organizations can create a more engaged, productive, and satisfied workforce. So, thank you for joining me on this exploration of job satisfaction assessment, and see you next time.